So hopefully all your quick access toolbars are up here in the upper left-hand corner. If they're not, it's going to be just below the ribbon right here. So if it's not, and you want to move it up, you'll just click the little drop-down arrow right here. And you can see, because I'm above the ribbon, I can actually click on Show Below the Ribbon. You'll notice that it looks like I don't have an arrow over there anymore. So they look a little different down here. If you just did that, hover just to the right of all your little commands there, and you'll see the drop-down arrow. And then click the drop-down, and we can move it back above the ribbon. It tends to be a little easier to see there. You'll notice up here I have a bunch of commands in there. I don't know how many commands you guys have in there all together, but we're going to play with that a little bit. So if you'll click the drop-down arrow one more time and go all the way down to More Commands, and click on it, this will actually open up the options box that I kind of skipped just a few minutes ago. We'll talk more about that in a little bit here, but for the quick access toolbar, you'll see on the right-hand side over here, this matches all of the ones that I have up there. So if you have anything other than save, undo, redo, go ahead and click on the very bottom one, and then the remove button in the middle there, just click it, keep clicking it until all you have in there is save, undo, and redo. Just so that we're all on the same page there. On the left-hand side, you'll notice there's a little drop-down up here with popular commands. If you click that drop-down and go to All Commands, down here, it will show you every command that exists inside of Excel, even the ones that are really hard to get to. So you just click down in that area, anywhere down in here so that the line turns blue, and I want you to type in a letter C. So whatever letter you type in, it'll move you to the very first command. Unfortunately, you can't put more than one letter. Every time you type a new letter, it's just going to keep moving you around to the first command. But we're going to scroll down a little bit farther until we find the close command. Now there's a couple of different close commands, so we want to make sure we all have the same one. And I just want you to have the close file command there. You click on it, then click the add button in the middle, and that'll shift it over to the right there. Then once you click OK at the bottom, it will adjust your quick access toolbar. A lot of times I use that when I don't feel like navigating. You know, if you've ever had to click on something and then you have to right-click on something else, and then you click on that, it opens a dialog box, and you have to click the drop-down, go to another tab. So this is a nice way to find those commands quickly. All right.